New leads can be automatically captured by AI through this widget, which can be installed right on your website. When someone visits your site, they'll be greeted by an AI assistant that responds immediately and makes a great first impression for your business, all while capturing the visitor's contact info to ensure you never miss a lead. The AI already has knowledge about your business from your business profile, so it can answer questions like what services you offer, where you're located, and hours of operation. You'll get a notification when a new lead is captured, and the message will be waiting for you in our centralized inbox, ready to be followed up on. To set up the AI web chat widget, head over to Inbox Settings and click on Configure Web Chat. Give the widget a name and configure the automated assistant to access your business profile, and provide additional facts and answers to frequently asked questions the automated assistant can use when responding to inquiries. Once done, follow the installation instructions to get it installed on your website and click Save. New leads can also chat with you through other channels like Google Search and Google Maps. Just like the leads from your website, the messages will appear in a centralized inbox where you can easily respond. You can set this up in the Inbox Settings tab as well. This is also where you can set up a local SMS number for you to send text messages to customers. Follow the registration form to complete. Depending on where you're located, it may take up to 3 weeks to get a phone number registered. Now, regardless of where the conversations are coming from, replying is easy with saved message templates. You can create new templates for your most common responses using dynamic fields to automatically populate your customer's name. Your new leads and customers are seamlessly captured in the CRM as contacts. This CRM goes beyond a simple Rolodex. Any of your employees can make notes on contacts, log meetings and video calls, and collaborate on making a sale. The main features of the CRM can be accessed through the Contacts tab or Companies tab. For most businesses, you'll be managing customers in the Contacts tab. But in the case where you might sell business to business, you'll want to use the Companies tab. Both work similarly, and you can easily associate contacts with companies. You can easily store essential information about your customers and log notes, email and phone call activity, meetings, or create tasks for later. Aside from contacts showing up automatically whenever a new lead is captured by the AI web chat widget, or from when a new conversation is started, you can easily add new contacts here, or import a list of contacts from a CSV. New contacts can also be quickly brought in from any outside system through an integration. Let us know if you would like us to help you set this up.